Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a really fascinating explainer. We're breaking down a visionary conceptual framework for a documentary about the future AI workflow. Now, if you've ever found yourself pulling your hair out over clunky hardware, endless rendering times, or just a messy, cluttered desk, well, this is going to sound like an absolute dream come true. Let's get right into it. So the source material sets some really strict visual rules for this workflow. We're definitely not looking at a gritty, shaky cam behind-the-scenes documentary here. Instead, I want you to picture an Apple keynote. The whole aesthetic is strictly minimal. It demands a super premium feel, all delivered in absolutely stunning 4K resolution. And this is actually vital, because here, the presentation style is just as crucial as the substance. The sleekness of the visual design reflects how frictionless the AI workflow itself is. There's zero clutter, literally just pure, focused creation. Okay, so how does a creator actually interact with this tech? The source text gives us this incredible directive: show every single step using floating holograms and animated interfaces. In this premium minimalist space, the creator isn't just hunched over a glowing rectangle on a messy desk. No, they're up, they're moving, actively interacting with floating holographic data in real time. The interface is literally live, it's animated, and it responds instantly to their commands. So say goodbye to carpal tunnel from a million mouse clicks. It completely changes the entire sensory experience of creating art.
So what exactly is it? Well, the future AI workflow is defined in our source as a massive, immersive process that takes us from the absolute genesis of a thought all the way to global distribution. This documentary vision takes this huge, complex undertaking and breaks it down into a really neat, structured 9-step journey. Over the next few slides, we're going to walk through this exact framework together, and we'll see exactly how human ingenuity leverages AI at every single stage.
And that brings us to phase 1, conception. Here, we're looking at the foundational steps: idea, research, and script. It all kicks off with the creator providing a raw idea, and boom, immediately, the AI springs into action for step 2, research. Just imagine this animated interface swirling around as the AI pulls in vast amounts of data, instantly synthesizing all that info to support the creator's vision. Then in step 3, all of that research is effortlessly formatted into a script, right there in thin air, glowing text forms, and structures the narrative. It's this foundational process that literally takes what used to require days of agonizing work and compresses it into one fluid, frictionless interaction. All right, so we've got a brilliant AI-assisted script floating right in front of us. But words on a holographic display are really just the beginning. The burning question for the creator, and honestly for us watching this documentary vision unfold, is this: how do we translate this written script into a premium visual reality? How does the AI take the literal meaning of those words and actually build that stunning 4K world we were promised? Well, that brings us right into phase 2, visualization. The workflow keeps moving with steps 4 and 5, images and animation. Following that script, the AI instantly renders these breathtaking 4K static visual concepts. The creator reviews these floating images, just swiping through them right in the air. Once they've locked in the aesthetic they want, step 5 kicks in. Those static images fluidly transition into dynamic animation. The whole interface comes alive as the flat pictures suddenly gain motion, depth, and cinematic lighting, all while keeping that ultra-sleek premium design language totally intact. Just look at the sheer contrast here. We go straight from the raw, foundational logic of a text script directly into breathtaking 4K rendered animation. The documentary vision really highlights this transformation, proving just how powerful this AI workflow is. The creator simply guides the intent, and the AI bridges that massive technical gap between typing a sentence and rendering a hyper-realistic, moving 4K visual. It's just a stunning visual payoff. So, we've got the script, and we've got these incredible moving visuals. It looks absolutely beautiful, but right now, it's completely silent. It lacks emotion, which leaves us to our next really critical challenge. How do we give these stunning 4K holograms a voice and a heartbeat? How do we elevate this from a silent moving picture into a truly immersive experience? This leads us nicely into phase 3, soundscapes. Audio is so often what makes or breaks a production. In this super sleek workflow, it involves steps 6 and 7, voice and music. First off, the AI analyzes the script and the emotion of the animation to synthesize a perfectly natural-sounding voice. The creator can tweak the tone, the pacing, and the inflection with just a simple wave of their hand.
Then, for step 7, the AI composes an entirely original score tailored to perfectly fit those minimalist visuals. It provides that essential emotional heartbeat, swelling and fading exactly where the story demands it. Now, the audio and visual elements are in absolute, perfect harmony. And finally, we enter phase 4, the final polish.
So the creator has generated all these distinct pieces, and now they all need to converge. In a traditional workflow, bringing all these elements together is exactly where the bottlenecks happen. But here, steps 8 and 9, editing and publishing, happen completely seamlessly. The AI intuitively understands the pacing, syncing the voice, the music, and the animation together perfectly right inside that animated interface. The creator simply oversees the final cut, making tiny, microscopic adjustments. And then, the grand finale, step 9, publishing. With one final command, the fully rendered 4K video is pushed instantly out to a global audience. The entire creative loop is complete.
Okay, let's just take a step back for a second and look at the sheer velocity of this entire process. This timeline encapsulates the staggering speed of the future AI workflow. I mean, imagine a world where at minute 1 you have a simple idea. By minute 3, the AI has researched and written the entire script. At minute 6, you're looking at full 4K animations. By minute 8, the voice, the music, and the editing are done. And at minute 10, your creation is published to the whole world. A 10-minute rapid journey from a fleeting little thought to a globally distributed video production. That is just breathtaking efficiency.
The biggest takeaway here really is the profound transformation we've just witnessed. We started with a single, intangible human idea, something fragile and completely unformed, and now, through the power of this 9-step AI workflow, that idea is a globally published 4K production. The frictionless, minimalist environment portrayed in this documentary concept isn't just about looking cool. It's really about removing every single barrier between human imagination and the final execution. Which leaves us with this final, really provocative thought to ponder. We've seen exactly how this futuristic workflow handles all the heavy lifting, the research, the rendering, the scoring, the editing. So when AI flawlessly handles the mechanics of the workflow, what new boundaries will human creativity break? If you no longer have to spend days animating or editing, where will your imagination take you next? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer today. I really hope it sparks some brilliant ideas of your own.